Question 3. We are given a pretty complicated diagram here with angles and information all over the place. The question tells us that the length of CD equals the length of CE, and that is shown already in the diagram with these two lines. And we are asked to find the value of x. So if we look at where x is, there's an angle that's right beside it that happens to be across from it. That's a pun. And that is this one. So x is 32 degrees. The official reason for this, as the angle rule, is that vertically opposite angles are equal. Now when you're writing this, you can get away with just writing opposite angles are equal, but vertically is the fancy formal way of describing it because of the fact that this point C is the vertex, or where the cross actually happens. Part B, work out the value of y. So the angle here that we have for y is missing from this part here to make it a full turn. So we have 360, take away 315, which will give us 45 degrees. We can say angles in a full turn or angles round at a point add up to 360. That's our reason. Part C. Work out the value of z. So z is over here. It's part of this isosceles triangle there. So we know that all three of these angles are going to add up to 180 because it's a triangle. So we can start off by taking 32 away from that. That will give us 148. And because of the fact that these two sides are equal in that triangle, it's an isosceles triangle. And that means that this angle Z and this angle here are both the same size. So that 148 that we've got, which is the total of those two, we can basically half that. And that's going to give us 74 degrees as the size of Z.